I'm Rich Free with the RG Group, here today to talk about flexible outsourced manufacturing. When we look at flexible outsourced manufacturing, we break it down into three major categories. One would be R&D or development. Two would be production, and third is obsolescence or end of life. But today I'd like to focus on what does R&D mean? Research and development. For us, since we're in the motion and control business, we are looking at helping customers to do more with less. So everything from prototyping to design to 3D drawings, anything that a startup company or a company that wants to expand without adding more resources needs in that R&D situation. So in the past, we've helped customers in various markets, including life sciences, including motion and control, specifically hydraulics and mobile hydraulics. All of those are core competencies for us. So if you have a new product or you're new in the marketplace and you want someone to help you get up to speed as quick as possible and reduce your total cost of ownership, give us a call. RG Flexible Outsourced Manufacturing will make it happen for you.